Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Removing oil stains from asphalt can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach and materials, you can restore your driveway or parking area to its clean appearance. The key often lies in acting quickly, especially for fresh spills. For a fresh oil stain, the very first step is to absorb as much of the oil as possible before it fully penetrates the asphalt. Granular absorbents like cat litter, non-clumping is best, sand, or even sawdust work exceptionally well. Pour a generous layer over the fresh spill, ensuring it completely covers the oil. Let this absorbent material sit for several hours, or even overnight, to maximize its oil-pulling power. Once it has absorbed the oil, sweep up the material and dispose of it properly, following local environmental guidelines for hazardous waste if necessary. After the initial absorption, you'll likely be left with a residual stain. This is where cleaning agents come into play. A simple, effective, and environmentally friendly method involves using liquid dish soap. Dish soap is a degreaser by nature and can break down the oil. Apply a liberal amount of heavy-duty liquid dish soap directly onto the stain. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to penetrate the remaining oil. Then, using a stiff-bristled brush or a push broom, scrub the area vigorously. You'll want to work the soap into a lather, really agitating the stain. Once you've scrubbed thoroughly, rinse the area completely with water from a garden hose. You might need to repeat this process a few times for stubborn spots. For older or more deeply embedded stains, commercial asphalt degreasers are often the most effective solution. These products are specifically formulated to break down petroleum-based stains on asphalt. Always read the product instructions carefully before use, as application methods and dwell times can vary. Typically, you'll apply the degreaser directly to the stain, let it sit for the recommended period, usually 15 to 30 minutes, and then scrub it with a stiff brush. After scrubbing, rinse the area thoroughly with water. Some degreasers may require a follow-up rinse or specific disposal methods for the runoff, so pay close attention to the label. When using any chemical cleaner, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, and ensure good ventilation if working in an enclosed space. Another powerful tool, if used correctly, is a pressure washer. A pressure washer can be very effective at blasting away residual oil and cleaning agents. However, caution is crucial. Using too high a pressure or holding the nozzle too close to the asphalt can damage the surface, eroding the aggregate and potentially creating new problems. Start with a lower pressure setting, around 1,500 to 2,000 psi, and use a fan-tip nozzle, 25 to 40 degrees. Keep the nozzle moving constantly and maintain a safe distance from the asphalt surface. Combine pressure washing with a degreaser for the best results on tough stains. For very old, set-in stains, a single application of any method might not be enough. You may need to repeat the chosen cleaning process multiple times over several days, allowing the asphalt to dry completely between applications. Patience is key, and persistent effort will yield the best results. Remember to always consider the environment. Try to contain the runoff from cleaning agents to prevent it from entering storm drains or waterways. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.